On this episode of the show, we're going to talk about why dividing your business among your heirs equally is a terrible idea. Creating wealth, protecting families, building legacy. This is the Rich Life Lawyer Show. Hey everybody, this is Christopher Small and this is episode 81 of the Rich Life Lawyer Show. I'm your host. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. I'm an estate planning attorney. I'm a business owner. I'm an entrepreneur. And I'm here today to talk to you about something that is really interesting to me from a whole bunch of different perspectives, but is really probably even more interesting to you, and that is why it's a terrible idea to divide your business up equally among your heirs. There are a few different reasons why this is a problem, but the main problem is that when you divide your business up equally, let's say you have 3 kids and you have 9 shares of stock, okay, to make this math super easy. So you pass away, you give 3 shares to kid A, 3 shares to kid B, and 3 shares to kid C. They are all equal owners, right? Here's the problem. Imagine the scenario. It's probably true if your kids are like mine. You have kid A. Kid A loves the business. He's been working in the business since he was 4. Okay, he's been sweeping floors. He's been at the office with mom or with dad. He loves the business. He knows the business inside and out. He's great at the business, and he understands the value that is within the business. Kid B, he is a little bit more of the California surfer type, right? He just wants to go along and get along. You know, he loves hanging out with friends. He loves being social. He loves surfing. He loves the outdoors. The last thing he wants to do is be cooped up in an office for the rest of his life selling widgets, right? Whatever your thing is. Kid C is, let's throw this out there. Kid C is a chef, right? Okay, she is magnificent. She owns her own restaurant. She has a cookbook. She's on the Food Network. She's out there slicing and dicing, cutting everything up, and just crushing it, okay? Kid C is out there doing her own thing. Now, you divide this business up equally between everyone, and can you see how the problems are already beginning? You're going to have all of the weight and the burden of running of the business and maintaining the business is going to be on Kid A. Kid B and C, though, are going to really benefit from all that hard work. And in a worst case scenario, Kid B and Kid C, who know nothing about the business, who know nothing about the way it operates, who know nothing about the culture, who know nothing about the people, have the ability and the authority to overrule Kid A, to change the business completely if they want, to sell the business if they want, and do all the stuff that probably isn't what Kid A would want to do or what you would want to do as the business owner. So it's important to remember that equal is not always fair in these situations. And these are the conversations that we have all the time with business owners, because it can be difficult to sort of really come to grips with that. And this example I gave kind of helps you see the forest for the trees. But you know, it can also be tough because you think there's no other way to do it. Well, that's not true. You know, what you could do is, for example, you could give B, you could do a couple things. A, first of all, you could take out a life insurance policy for yourself for, like, say, $1 million. Let's say the business is worth $1 million, and you take out a life insurance policy for $2 million. Okay, again, I'm just trying to make the math easy for all of us, for me too, because I'm on camera. When you die, Kid A, who loves the business, wants to run the business, knows the business, would make the business grow and really continue on with that legacy, he gets the whole business. Kid B, he gets $1 million in life insurance. And Kid C, she gets $1 million in life insurance. That way, everything is fair. Everybody gets what they want. Everybody has the opportunity to grow and succeed in their life. And your business also, which many would call the fourth child, I think I probably would call it that, also gets to grow and continue on and live after you're gone. So remember, equal does not, or fair does not always mean equal when you're thinking about business succession planning. All right. If you want to talk about this more, if you want to talk about how to put a plan in place to make sure these things happen, please call me, 206-659-1512. You can email me, chris@cmslawfirm.com. And if you want to learn more about this whole process, if you want to learn about some things that you may not have thought about, some red flags, some landmines that you haven't considered, I offer a free webinar, a free training for you that you can go to anytime. And you can find that and learn more about that and register at cmslawfirm.com/business. Thank you for your time. Look forward to talking to you again soon.